Good afternoon, everyone. I want to extend my thanks to B2B Purchase Magazine, as today's prefabricated structures not only used in factories, warehouses, logistic parks, but also in the commercial buildings, the data centers, office buildings, retail stores, and the houses. This is the evolution of heavy infrastructure. Basically, if you look at the industrial landscape today, you will see an industry at a breaking point. Developers and clients are demanding massive, complex facilities built in record time, but we are still trying to build them using slow, unpredictable, old methods like what we do in RCC only. As in prefabrication, time is saved. As it is as I already told, it is manufactured in factory and same time required civil work is complete at site. So both the work will go simultaneously. And as soon as the civil work is complete, we send the material to the bolt, it will fasten, it will erect, and then the work is done. This is the third site. In fact, let's look at the reality of the traditional construction site. Linear construction is held hostages by variables, severe weather, chronic labor shortages, and volatile material cost. You cannot build a roof until the walls are up. You cannot build walls until the foundation is set. At Supreme PEB, our mandate is to solve this by shifting the open air site into a highly controlled environment. We deliver massive, complex industrial facilities with uncompromising speed and structure integrity. This will enhance quality standard. If you see, this is the, I just give the essence of this slide. It is written in that manner only. So what is PEB or the prefabricated modular structures means? We have to shift it to our factory, make here, built at 100% accuracy with our automatic machines. We have basically cutting machine, we have the shearing machine, all are automated with short blasting as well as a automatic welding machine. We do here only, we cut the plates, we weld it as per the tailor requirement, customized requirement, and then we deliver it to the site according to the design. So this will basically reduces time also and accuracy also, as well as quality. As this is a problem of heavy infrastructure, now the solution is pre-engineered building. So it's basically a paradigm shift. Instead of bringing raw materials to a site and figuring it out in the mud or we can say soil, PEB is fully integrated system. Every single primary frame, secondary member, and a cladding is precise engineered and manufactured inside our factory before it goes to the site. By shifting from unpredictable build-up method to the integrated modular approach, we maximize efficiency right from the start. Every component is designed, it's fabricated, and manufactured in highly controlled factory atmosphere. This is zero tolerance precision. Basically, when we manufacture a building according to design and code, rather than construct it, we achieve zero tolerance engineering because we are already pre-engineered, already we designed it. We already do a lot of designing work, and then it is going to shop floor for the manufacturing or cutting whatever. So, and for this, we basically utilize the advanced BIM method, building information modeling. Basically, BIM is a collaborative digital process of building and facilities. It's a 3D process basically basically we can say for coming out the facilities throughout their life cycle. And alongside, we have automatic machinery to cut, drill, and weld steel to the mm size, that millimeter size. We have due to the 100% accuracy. And this factory level quality control is simply impossible in a dusty open air site. And also, if we do the welding in a controlled factory environment, it is really not possible in at the site only, because due to a lot of welding defect will come. We have to do here some sort of non-destructive testing like NDT, like die protection test, which is DB test, which is to be done in each and every component. And then after that, we short blast it and then we do paint. That is not being possible at the site. So this exact precision allows us to safely engineer the massive. In fact, large spans is also possible. Like I like to reduce 40 meter, 45 meter we can do, but yeah, it will not go to economical. The best economical size is 20 meter of TS span. In infrastructure, precision must be paired with velocity, but we know that time is a capital. So with prefabrication, we overlap the timeline. While the civil contractors are pouring their foundations on site, we are simultaneously manufacturing the steel structure inside our factory, completely immune to weather delays, because outside kaisa bhi weather ho, in fact it's raining or too cold, but we have to manufacture here only. There is no delays in that. What the time we have been given for that schedule, we do go accordingly. So this parallel workflow reduces overall project cost by 30 to 50%, in fact. For developers and clients, getting a production or logistic facility operational a month before means generating revenues months earlier. For them, a month before, if they start their operation, it's our revenue for them for the months, basically. And we basically work on the sustainability and the recyclability, because modern infrastructure must be green and sustainable, and it must take financial sense. We calculate materials using exact softwares. Structure waste is reduced to nearly 0%, not we can say 0 to 2%, and site destruction is drastically minimized. This comes down to economical predictability. Traditional site delays cause financial losses and penalty costs that will reduce in the modular PEB construction, because we offer fixed off-site manufacturing cost. The price is predictable, the time is locked, and the developers and clients' risk is mitigated. This slide talks about the roofing system. The structure is a half battle, basically, to erect a structure, and then the roof is to erect a roofing is a 100% efficiency. Then after roofing, we do the wall claddings. So basically, our PV frames are engineered with zero tolerance precision. They act as a perfect flawless for advanced roofing technologies. And in roofing, there are two technologies. One is screw down and one is standing. So normally, in today's scenario, maximum jobs are coming with standing sim, because basically when the span is large, it goes to the 30 meter or 25 meters. Then standing sim will work, because in standing sim there is no screws, only clipping will done. So the leakage issues is resolved in that 100%. Clipping is done. We have to provide the clips, and then it has to be 180-degree hold on with that reaming machine. So large span building is okay, but in short spans, screw down is okay, because that's not come so much of overlap in that. And the second point is that the insulation, as well as we also indicate the high density insulation and daylighting panels. So there are several of insulations available in the market, like bubble insulation is there, rock wool is there, glass wool is there. So there are a lot of insulations that also support in a green building concept, because if we put insulation, the heat will reduce in the inside atmosphere. And in fact, also we can, in our building, solar panels are being installed. Whatever we have been taken the load of solar panels in our structures, and that has been installed in the roofing. That only being that's coming in the clip and type of structure. Then the solar panel will also be installed in our roofing systems. These are the basically key advantages. If we look at the process and engineering, here is the executive recap of the PV advantage. It gives us unmatched project completion speed due to on-site fabrication work and the off-site structured manufacturing done at the same time, and absolute cost predictability through fixed pricing, as a fixed price at order level only. Basically, what happens when the project goes on and it will delay for some of the reason, then the cost will go on increase. And for us, once the cost is being fixed for some sort of time period, it will be fixed. So it will not go beyond the month level. And customer can get a superior quality control as materials fabricated inside factory in a controlled atmosphere. and significantly enhance worker safety by moving the dangerous work off-site that can reduce accidents. Because basically when we work in, we go for a 20-meter building and we do 20-meter brickwork through scaffolding. It's a rigorous process and accidents may happen. We do that work according with the Faranas as well as the boom lift, and we do according to that. So accidents will reduce in this case. In fact, zero accidents are there. And it's incredible sustainability by reducing waste to, just already I informed you, less than 5%. Alongside a design flexibility to customize and expand your facility in the future. The future expansion is also possible. We need to expand the building, it will be expanded. Or if it required that installation is have to be changed to some other place, we can do that also. We just take out the structures and put it on the other place. Yeah, there are some sort of losses are there, like in cheating and some losses are there, but we can do that also. So this is a 100% green project we can say, which can be transferred to say different place also. So a PV structure can be reused and relocated to other place, as all structure is bolted connections. We can't use basically much of welding. All the connections are bolted through base plates, through hardware. To conclude, the industry have to use prefabrication and modular techniques like hybrid, in which we have combination of pre-engineered buildings, RCC, precast concrete panels, puff panels, as well as the dry walls. In the basically multi-story buildings, we are using all these components all together. The ultimate synergy of modular prefabrication and advanced roofing technologies gives a very specific result. Infrastructure assets that are structurally superior, economical, predictable, high sustainable. And basically at Supreme PEB, we are engineered for tomorrow and we are delivering it today. Let's thank you again to B2B Purchase Maxim for the platform. Let's build the future.